Hello everyone, welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I want to tell you another story about Anna. Today is a normal Tuesday. The weather is nice, the sky is blue, the sun is shining. Anna finishes work at 5 o'clock. She leaves the office and takes the bus home. It has been a busy day. She feels a little tired, but she is happy to be going home. After 20 minutes, Anna arrives at her apartment building. She walks to the entrance. She opens the door and goes inside. Everything seems normal. Then she notices something unusual. There are several boxes near the elevator. The boxes are large. Some boxes are small. Anna looks around. She has never seen these boxes before. Maybe someone is moving into the building. The elevator arrives. The doors open. Inside, a young man is standing next to more boxes. He looks a little tired. He smiles politely. Anna smiles back. The man is carrying a heavy box. It does not look easy. Anna steps into the elevator. The doors close. For a moment, nobody says anything. Then the man speaks. "Hello." Anna smiles. "Hello?" The man points to the boxes. "I just moved here today." Anna nods. "Oh, welcome to the building." The man smiles again. "Thank you." The elevator stops on the 3rd floor. The man begins to move one of the boxes. It looks very heavy. Anna decides to help. "Do you need some help?" The man looks surprised. "Really?" "Yes, of course." "Thank you. That would be wonderful." The man picks up one box. Anna picks up another. Together they carry the boxes down the hallway. At the end of the hallway, there is a door. The man opens the door to his apartment. The apartment is almost empty. There is a table. There is a chair. There are many boxes, but not much furniture. Anna places her box on the floor. The man places his box beside it. "Thank you very much," he says. Anna smiles. "No problem." The man introduces himself. "My name is Daniel." Anna shakes his hand. "I'm Anna." "It's nice to meet you, Anna." "It's nice to meet you too, Daniel." Daniel looks friendly. He seems kind and polite. Anna notices a guitar near the wall. She points at it. "Do you play guitar?" Daniel smiles. "Yes, I do. I love music." "That's great. What kind of music do you play?" "A little bit of everything." Anna laughs. "That sounds interesting." For a few minutes they talk. Daniel tells Anna that he recently moved to the city. He found a new job nearby. He wanted an apartment close to work. He likes the neighborhood already. Everyone seems friendly. Anna is happy to hear that. She likes her building. She likes her neighbors. She wants Daniel to feel welcome. Suddenly, Daniel looks at another large box. "It seems I still have a lot of work to do." Anna laughs. "Yes, I think so." There are boxes everywhere. Daniel laughs too. Then he thanks Anna again. "I really appreciate your help." "You're welcome." Anna walks back to her apartment. She unlocks her door and goes inside. She puts down her bag. Then she sits on the sofa. She thinks about her day. Work was busy. The bus was crowded. But something unexpected happened. She met a new neighbor. His name is Daniel. He seemed friendly. He seemed kind. And he played guitar. Anna smiles. Maybe they will become friends. Maybe they will talk again soon. Maybe she will hear him playing guitar one day. Nobody knows, but Anna feels happy. Sometimes a simple conversation can make a day more interesting. Sometimes meeting a new person can be the beginning of a new story. Outside, the evening sky begins to change colors. The sun slowly disappears. The city becomes quiet. Anna makes herself a cup of tea. She sits near the window. She watches the lights outside, and she thinks about her new neighbor. Tomorrow is another day. Perhaps tomorrow will bring another surprise. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.